get away, get away. Well, I can only guess that that old boy deserved his fate. The guessing games don't count for much when the cops are on their way, on their way. Well, that old boy didn't like him, and everybody knew. My brother ain't the talking kind when he's got something to lose, something to lose. Well, the brother of mine's a mean one, and people talked around town. If you mess with one of us, you'll end up in the ground, in the ground. Oh, in the ground.
Well, Rog was fantastic at riding the skateboard with the wing, and then getting up. It was the perfect opportunity for him to just take to it and get up on the foil. I always recommend people do that when they get a chance. The perfect spot I've been finding to go for a foil, and especially a first foil, is here at Golden Beach.
Well, I can't catch your eye, no matter how I try. Baby, you just look the other way. Well, baby, throw me some rope. I wanna see where this will go. I'm hanging on to every word you say. Oh baby, I got baggage. Show me a woman that don't and won't drag you down there. Well, throw it off the boat. Oh, take your chances. Let me inside your head. Oh baby, let me paint your blue heart red. Well, I can't win the game. Ain't it a crying shame? 'Cause I just wanna play the way you play.
We might just fly the drone and I'll give you a view of where it is. The grassy parking lot is perfect and out of the wind, and we all rig here, and then straight down on the water is the beautiful Golden Beach. Now that it's had a breakthrough, we can go out and we can wing in almost any direction depending on the breeze. The wind tends to funnel straight down the beach unless it's a due easterly, but otherwise it is absolutely perfect and a cracker spot.
I can't tell you, but I want to.
more than that, I really like the people here. They've got a great energy here. The people are fantastic, both experienced people and the beginners alike. There's no ego, there's no hassling. They're all just a bunch of friends happy to help out. So if you're passing by here at Golden Beach, Caloundra, drop by, say hello, and experience the warmth that is Golden Beach. Well, Golden Beach, isn't it a lovely spot? Those sandbanks all around make it a really safe spot, but they also give the benefit of leaving flat water, so the foiling is absolutely sensational. I know some people are looking for waves and for some sort of chop or swell, but it's certainly good to practice and lovely to be out where it's dead flat, tucked in behind those sandbanks. A few of the guys on sailboards and foiling sailboards, they're involved in groups that with time runs for speed, and you can see they are amazing to watch. For me, I've been really enjoying the social side. This boat life is fantastic, but it's not very social. Having the chance to hang around with a bunch of like-minded guys talking about foiling is inspiring, and it's really fun, and I find myself drawn there probably just as much because of the social side as it is the foiling side, and that's a bit of a first for me. That's it for this episode of Wild Goose Adventures. I hope you enjoyed it. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. That would be totally awesome. And until next time, smooth sailing.